हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। और आज के वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक विच इज़ रिलेटेड टू लाइव ट्रैकिंग ऑफ योर व्हीकल, बी इट अ टू व्हीलर और अ फोर व्हीलर. If your vehicle is used by someone else, maybe your driver or someone in your family or someone in your organization, etc., or even if you're using it on your own, doesn't matter. If you want to live track your vehicle all the time through a mobile app, then I think you should watch this video till the end. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है, हम अपने गाड़ी को कहीं पार्क करते हैं and we are always in a constant fear of the car getting stolen. And even if it is stolen, if it is moved somewhere else, we won't even know because there is no live tracking enabled. So I think these are the points that I'm going to discuss in this video. So watch this video completely till the end and make sure that your vehicle is safe.
Hello folks, so time to put on the Gadget Guru cap and discuss about this awesome product here. So this is the micro GPS tracking device for your vehicles. बच्चों के पॉकेट में डाल देंगे तो वो भी कहाँ कहाँ जा रहे हैं वो भी पता चल जाएगा. But I have bought this for my long trip and also to track my vehicles. तो आप बोलोगे आजकल के ज़माने में इसकी ज़रूरत क्या है? Because most of the new vehicles are already coming with some sort of tracking devices within. इंटरनेट इनसाइड, वाईफाई इनसाइड, कितना कुछ करके बेच रहे हैं. But so why do you need to purchase a device separately? So to tell you about that, my Scorpio is from the 2019 era, pre-COVID era, and it's a BS4 device, so it does not have such sophisticated gadgets pre-installed, and that is the reason I bought this product from the company Onelap. So if you go to Amazon, you will see a lot of reviews, a lot of good reviews about this product and a lot of purchases as well. So this is a very well rated product in Amazon, and that's the reason I chose Onelap micro GPS tracking device. So you can track your vehicle on a real time basis with the help of this device. So इसका आज unboxing करेंगे, अभी unboxing करेंगे. And of course when you need to track your vehicle on a real time basis, you need a constant supply of data which is provided with a pre-activated SIM which comes with this pack. So there are two options to select the SIM. One is from Airtel, another is from Vodafone. So I've chosen the Airtel SIM in this case. You can make a choice while placing your order, and this product is available in Amazon and also in the Onelap website. So let's go through this क्योंकि अभी कुछ ही देर में ये इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा मेरे व्हीकल में, and then it will completely vanish from our right side because it will be installed within the ignition section of our vehicles, which is just beneath the steering. So before it vanishes off in the dark corners of your car and does the stealth monitoring, इससे पहले इसको unpack और unbox करके देख लेते हैं. So let's start with the unboxing. Let's open the pack. तो देखते हैं क्या क्या है इसमें. So this is the device, और जैसे उन्होंने describe किया है, this is equivalent to the size of a cigarette lighter. Really small. So this is the connection cable. So as you can see, there are three different cables here, and couple of them connects to your battery. दो केबल जाएंगे बैटरी में, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव टर्मिनल में, and the third one, this will actually connect to your ignition coil या ignition terminal. तो इससे क्या होगा कि whenever someone is actually switching on the ignition, then you will be notified. So just to capture that event, this is the coil that would be, or this is the wire that would be used. So along with that देखते हैं और क्या क्या है. This is the manual as to or how to use each manual. क्या क्या बॉक्स में है, कैसे डिवाइस को एक्टिवेट करेंगे, how to go to the YouTube link to check the demos, etc. सारे इंस्टॉलेशन स्टेप्स यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं. So I'm going to my mechanic now to get this device installed in my Scorpio, and of course I don't have that required technical knowledge to remove the portion and remove the cover under my steering and plug the terminals to the right points, and also to make sure that the ignition alert or the event gets triggered. So you need to plug the wire to the right point. So इसलिए I'm going to get this installed with the help of my mechanic. So इसके अंदर देख लेते हैं क्या है. So I can see an IMEI number being placed, which is like the device tracking number. So this device can sustain on its own. इसमें हल्का सा charge रहता है, but that is not sufficient actually to like keep this active for hours. This will be like for maybe 2 to 3 hours. This device can work if it is removed from the car or if it's removed from the battery terminals of your car, but not for long. So इस device को खोलने के बाद यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे एक SIM already installed है. There is a pre-installed SIM, and I have taken it with a validity of 1 year. And there is also a small activation button. If you go very close, there is an activation button with on and off written. So before you actually install the device, once you connect it to your battery terminals, make sure that आप इसको on कर ले, and then you install the device, and then you start the activation process as mentioned in the user manual. So that is how it works. I'm just closing it off and I'm heading towards the mechanic now. Once it is installed, I will show you how to operate the app as well. Bye for now.
This is the fuse box section under the steering where the positive, negative and the ignition terminals are being tagged to the right fuse sections. The red and yellow LED indicators would indicate that the device is powered up, and also the SIM is activated and data transfer is on. So let's see how the Onelap app works. This is the home screen and this shows my vehicle Scorpio 2945 and the current location of the vehicle. Now this also shows that my vehicle ignition is off. This red indicator shows that the ignition is not working, and it also shows whether my vehicle is idle if the ignition is just turned on, and if it's in a moving state it will show as green. So these are the status updates that I would see directly on my screen once I open the app. Now if I just click on the vehicle, I'm getting a bit more details. Location is shown again with a bit of more precision. कहाँ पे है exactly आपकी गाड़ी आपको पता चलेगा. And if you have multiple vehicles, you can actually track all of them through the same app. Yeah. Now इस vehicle का details मुझे यहाँ पता चल रहा है. I can go for view all time data. I'm getting the statistics about the distance, speed, etc. that's covered today. आज अभी तक गाड़ी निकली नहीं है, so everything is shown as blank. Now if I go for viewing all time data, I'm getting a bit of analytics or how many kilometer the vehicle has actually run on a particular day. So it's showing the data for the last 30 days. I can choose the month or the exact date for which I would like to see the details. So it's showing great analytics, the average speed, the maximum speed, activity, idle time, stoppage time, etc. जबरदस्त analytics दिखा रही है. So I'm really impressed with that. Now recent or review activity. What exactly has happened in the recent past? So if I click on the calendar, I can see the distance traveled by the vehicle on a particular date. तो जैसे यहाँ पे 7th March को दिखाया गया है कि I've traveled more than 1100 kilometers. I was going from Bangalore to Nagpur and even beyond to MP. So this all shows the details. I would basically choose a date where I have not traveled much, maybe on 3rd March, and I can actually replay the route. If I click on play, you can see on the screen it exactly plays back the route that I've traveled on that particular day. So you can exactly view where all your vehicle has traveled. The red nodes on the screen are showing the details where the vehicle has stopped. So I go back. I can also create a save zone here. So what I can do is I can specifically mark an area as a save zone. I can select the radius over here below, as you can see, and when the vehicle moves out of this region, then I will get a notification on my phone about the vehicle leaving the save zone. I can also share this device or share the details of these notifications with someone else. I can choose someone from my contact and share the details of the device. I can also set the notification alert details. I have chosen these, so whenever the ignition is on or off, I will get an alert. I will also get a device removal alert. So if the device is removed from the vehicle, it immediately triggers an alarm and I would receive that notification on my phone. So as you can see, anti-theft option is off now. I have not switched it on because currently I'm at home. But if you're traveling somewhere, if you've parked your vehicle somewhere on the roadside, you can actually switch on this anti-theft option so that whenever the vehicle is moved from that particular safety zone, you will get an immediate alert on your phone. The anti-theft option also helps you to get notified in case if your vehicle is being towed from a public parking space. So if you're parking somewhere on the curbside, on the roadside, just make sure that you enable the anti-theft option so that you get notified immediately if your vehicle is being towed. Now I have taken a subscription for 1 year for the data package because I need to insert an Airtel SIM into this device. So after 1 year, I need to contact the Onelap support to extend my subscription. So that's how the device works. So at the end of the video, we'll discuss about limitation or drawbacks of this product. इस प्रोडक्ट को यूज़ करने के बाद मुझे क्या अच्छा नहीं लगा. So in the recent past, I mean the last week we went for a drive from Bangalore to Uttarakhand. हमने Bangalore to Uttarakhand complete drive किया. उसका भी वीडियो आ रहा है, उसको देखना मत भूलिए. That's something wanted to add on. But वहाँ जाके मुझे इस प्रोडक्ट में एक लिमिटेशन, एक ड्रॉबैक नज़र आया which I'm going to share now. So the backbone of this product depends on a steady network connectivity. So जो Airtel SIM यहाँ पे लगा है, जहाँ नेटवर्क स्टेडी नहीं है, वहाँ पे अगर आप इस डिवाइस को यूज़ करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली यू विल नॉट गेट द प्रॉपर नोटिफिकेशंस. When we traveled to some of the remotest corners of Uttarakhand where the network was not steady, where we were not receiving the Airtel signals properly, तो वहाँ पे we were not getting the right notifications or notifications at the right time. So that is something that I would call as a limitation of the technology. I will not say that it is a drawback of the product because of course if there is no network, how would the device send you a notification? Apart from this, I have noticed a drawback. So I will cite an example कि मानिए आपने गाड़ी ऑन किया at 2 o'clock और उस टाइम आप एक steady network zone में नहीं है. So of course you will not receive the immediate notification or alert that you have switched on the ignition. गाड़ी चलाते चलाते at 2:30, suppose you reach a spot where there is steady network. तो immediately you will get all the pending notifications to your mobile. जो भी notifications pending थे from 2 to 2:30, you will receive all of them, in a burst mode in your mobile. I'm not saying that that's a drawback, but the problem is that जो time stamp जो उस notifications के होंगे, that would point to the current time stamp. जो आपका 2 o'clock आपने ignition on किया था, if you receive the notification at 2:30, the timestamp would show that you have switched on the ignition at 2:30, not at 2 o'clock. So that is something that I consider is a drawback. Your timestamp mismatch हो रहा है due to no network connectivity at a particular place or time or zone, and I think that needs to be rectified by the manufacturer. So that's about it. Thank you.